Hi friends, this is VR and I welcome you all to another video on a mysterious topic, the pyramids. I hope you will like it, and if you like it, do it on the like button. If you are new to our channel, never forget to turn the subscribe button and the bell button too. Do share it with your friends, and without any delay, let's get into the video. Pyramids are built over 5000 years from the present period. Each stone in it weighs nearly 2.5 tons. The pyramids are the world's largest structures of the world until Eiffel Tower, which was built recently. Pyramids were actually built as the burials of the people in the form of mummified bodies, in which the people supplied with all kinds of foods and wines. People living in Egypt believed in reincarnation. They thought that one could reincarnate only if there's a body. So they started to preserve the bodies, taking all the organs out and leaving only the face to be undisturbed. Next, they covered the body and put it into a box. Stepping back into the construction, it is not a big thing for us to make a pyramid now. But how could it be created 5000 years ago? It's nearly impossible for them to create it without any support from the extraterrestrial. Getting back to the pyramids, archaeologists also claim that there must be super cities under the pyramids. This is because there were lots of ways going deep inside the earth according to the researchers. Proofs also claim that there might be lots of gold and diamonds inside the pyramids. Coming back to the pyramids, about 20 to 30,000 people must have been waged to build these great structures. These people are not actually slaves but were peasants. They were not slaved, instead, they were also burials for them too. It is the special structure of the pyramid that it makes a constant 20 degrees Celsius inside the pyramid, whatever the temperature condition that prevailed outside. It makes us more interesting that the tip of the pyramids points sharply at a particular star. Pyramids were built with clear mind and advanced technology. It is because the people must have kept the body inside and then started the construction. This is because the body is itself larger than the entrance. This is because they didn't want anyone to disturb or make changes in it. One of the interesting claims about the pyramid is that the melange used in this is unique and cannot be recreated again once the composition is broken out. It is said that the pyramids were coated with lustrous limestone which shined brightly when the sun rays fell upon it, but it lost its shine in the following millennium years. Archaeologists also claim that the tip consisted of gold plating which would have been gone thefted in the preceding years. Comprising full of mysteries, the pyramids are huge structures with unknown philosophies. They carry the mystery for many years and stand as a well-known structures with unknown riddles. Let's hope at least now the pyramids mysteries gets unfolded shortly. Thank you. That's all in this video friends. I'll be coming with more interesting and unknown topics and facts in the next upcoming videos. Till then, thank you, bye and have a great day.